Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the controller forget delay on Dune Awakening. To do it, you need to go to the settings. Now in gameplay tab, scroll all the way down, and at some point you'll see the controller forget delay. You can adjust this thing, right? And if you change it, there will be a button to confirm the change. You can click on that or click on the enter key to apply it, and the time is in milliseconds to wait before the currently highlighted slot will unhighlight when returning the thumbstick to the center with the input lock mode controller set to flick and forget setting. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.